Hello guys, I think you all are well now, and today in this chapter we will learn then how to create a assembly and modify. So how do we create the assembly and modify the assembly? So let's go start now. You can see here in the home tab, you come this panel. Here is the assembly. Just you click in down arrow. Here create assembly or add assembly offset. So we are going to create the assembly now. Just click once here, then it's asking some information like name of the assembly. We are just giving to name assembly 1 here. Description, if you want to write you can write, otherwise no need, can leave it the blank. Okay, and next here note change basic and all code is the correct, nothing you have to change here. Just click OK once. It's asking the location where you want to insert your assembly. Just I'm going to click here. Okay, you can see now assembly is here. This is the our assembly. You can click here, or you bring to your cursor here. Then cursor can showing the information of the assembly. Okay, this is the our assembly. Assembly means we can say cross section. Cross section. So how do we create now the cross section with this assembly? So again you come to here the home panel. You can see here these tools here, tool plates. Just click on it. So many assemblies, the tool plates are here. As you like you can make or can change it. So first we have to go the our cross section. How do we make the cross section? Think first here in the basic you can see the many things are, and that look also how to they will see. You can see here the barrier we can make, simple noise barrier we can make, and another things, this lens for this you can see there's so many types. The maximum it's for the roads. If you want to make like that road, then you can choose it here. Second one, you see the shoulders, how to the shoulders will be make of the road. And that medians see how look this. You can create same this like that, and after that modify it. And curb stones, how to use the curb stone. And the daylight, you see the here daylight, you can see when things are here. Just you click here again, then so many things you can see here. So many types are cross section here. Now we are going to choose the if the trench pipeline. Yes, I choose the pipelines here. So you see the channel type, this type, this type. And here especially in the pipeline we are using this assembly in the single and double triple like that. So I'm telling you about this trench with pipe. Just we bring to here and click on our assembly. Yes, then enter it. Okay, why this is the here, you see now it's not center. Just click your assembly and move it from center to this center. So this will be our alignment line. If we are creating the pipeline assembly, then it will be in the center of the our alignment, pipeline alignment. Okay, now you come and you can click once here, then right click it here, and a sub assembly property. Okay, just come to here, then this window will be open. And here if you want to change the name, you can change, otherwise leave it. Description not required. And parameters, here you see, especially you see these things, I want to show you. Right side, the attached point top corner है ना, bottom width here is the 0.3. I make it some small so we can see the both of them. Okay, just once close, and we bring these things here, our assembly. Then click here again and go to here and select the assembly property. Now we can see easily and come to in para. Now see the bottom width, it's saying the width of the bottom. As per your specification or required, you can change here. Now I'm going to change here bottom width 0.75 and just apply here. You see it's changed. Then it's asking top width. Then I'm going to here write that top width 1.5 meters. Then apply. Okay. Next, depth. This depth, I want to change also depth 1.2 meter. Okay. Then click to here. You see. Now our assembly is the changing as we are changing here. Okay. Then bedding depth, you see here is the showing the bedding depth, this one. So just I'm going to depth 0.5. Okay. Yes, you see this automatically come up here. Again we select here and same process parameter. So it's 0.5 now depth from up to down. And it's asking pipe diameter. This pipe diameter it's asking, I'm saying here 0.4 means 400 mm. Okay, it's increased here. And it's asking pipe thickness. This thickness it's also asking here only 0.03 m. So I'm going to here means 3 mm. I'm giving to here 0.05 mm. Then just click. You see here what happened? The changed. So everything has now changed. Okay. Codes, because this all are linked, so no need to change here because assembly created by Mark. Okay. So it's now complete and we modified it. Okay. Then okay. So this is the for pipeline. If another choose like a trench here, trench. Sorry, once here. Then we come to here a basic lane and generic. See, here is the how many types are there. You can choose from here, or again just click here. Then come to pipe trench conditional. I will tell later about the conditional and generic also here, and basic already we checked here. We want like the means our pipelines going somewhere up, then have to slope this side or this side, or maybe some places going to down, then have to cut. So how do we calculate the earthworks? That's why we need these things. So going to here daylight. Daylight here is the many things because slope upside or downside. That is the means daylight links. So how do we apply the daylight links? Here you see I want to apply the maximum offset here and just click once here. Okay. then its slope is the 4:1, and also cut is the same. We can change it. Just click here and right click here and sub assembly property. You can change name here. Just come to parapet here and you can change here to, or here be 2, and maximum distance from the baseline here you can change the 5. It's okay, no need to change the more in the pipelines, then okay. Okay, it's, you can see, and just click here, then right click here and you change again here. See the property, है assembly property and label property. Just you go to in label property here. Okay, label is the by default here. Okay, here by default you change then the flat grade, step grade. I'm just select flat grade. Okay, then flip the labels. If you want to change the labels, true. Okay, visibility is true, then okay. What happened? See, so you can change the labels. Again you click here and go to there and label style. Okay, just you click to here. Okay, and you can change the here many things as you want. See this one, especially you change in the layout. Here height is there 2.5. I'm going just to one things here, just 0.5. Okay, and apply it and okay and okay, then okay. You see the size is changed. Same this way here you can change the label style by default. Here plate grade, then click to here and here in come to in layout and 50 and it's okay. And if you want to change the color here, I going to change the red color. Okay, apply, apply and apply and apply. See, so this you can change your things in arrow or your things you can change. Again go to there. Okay, label style, plate grade, just click in 3 dots and here step grid, no this one, again click here. Then you see the general is there, text is there, border is there, gap. You see this gap is here, border. If you this border, everything is the showing here. Everything is showing here. You can change, and here the percentage or direction of the arrow. Okay, you can change the length of arrow like 0.2 and can change the color same as red. Then click apply, okay, okay and okay. You see color is changed. So these things you can change as you like, you know? So I think you understood the how to create the assembly and what is the means of the assembly and how to modify. Just click once here because both side we require, this side also require. You see here the mirror, just click here and once click here. Yes, you see same his repeated like that. So this section how to look at the ground after complete this. These labels you can change as I told you. This is the our pipe and here some bedding material is the coming. Okay, and after that if the our pipe is the going to down to existing ground level, then it will be cut like that. Okay, like that. Okay, and if it's coming up, then it this direction it will be come filling area. So we can calculate easily, automatically the civil engineer will calculate the your materials, how much the cutting, how much the filling, and how much the your bedding materials. This will be you see in the our upcoming video. There I will create a pipe network around the 50 kilometers. So that project both we will do in the civil 3D, water gems, and data will take from the Google Earth, then we'll go to QGIS and GIS to take data and come to in our civil 3D. Then we will proceed and complete the project, the pipe network. So I will show the how to do. So please you subscribe my channel. Upcoming project will be very important. There you will learn how to create the pipe network and how to get the data. Okay, thanks for watching.